2 houses, 1 family. This is the starting point for understanding the concept behind Casas, 1922 by Nordest Arquitectura. These houses were designed to create a harmonious balance between privacy and togetherness. 2 volumes that function as distinct homes for the same family, united by a central courtyard. This courtyard acts as the heart of the house, dissolving the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, welcoming residents and visitors, and fostering a natural flow that integrates the interior spaces with the surroundings. When arriving at Casas 1922, the first thing that stands out is this organization around the living void of the central courtyard. It gathers light, air, and life, inviting entry with naturalness and surprise. Located in the Spanish countryside, the 2 houses blend gently into the rural context, respecting the topography and climate. Natural materials, shadows, and transparency help them engage in dialogue with the environment. Crossing the entrance leads directly to the courtyard. It divides and, at the same time, unites the spaces, offering visual connections between social areas and gathering zones while maintaining privacy in more reserved environments. The courtyard orchestrates circulation fluidly. The house employs industrialized systems of prefabricated panels, which speed up assembly, save water, and minimize execution errors. These systems also ensure the proper airtightness to meet passive house standards, guaranteeing thermal comfort and energy efficiency. The ensemble covers approximately 530 square meters, distributed between 2 dwellings for the same family, each with clearly defined common and private areas. Circulation flows lightly between spaces. Around the courtyard are living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas opening to the exterior. Corridors and openings frame views of the garden or the natural surroundings, allowing daylight to enter at different times of the day, creating soft shadows and dynamic reflections. Natural materials play a visual and functional role: compacted earth, adobe, wood, and lime. On the exterior, they merge with the surroundings. On the interior, they provide a healthy atmosphere, free from toxins and with hygroscopic properties. Details such as wide window frames and surfaces that reveal the texture of materials lend authenticity to the whole. The transition between exterior and interior occurs without visual breaks. Private spaces maintain serenity, but do not completely detach from greenery and light. Natural ventilation, filtered light, and the variation of shadows throughout the day create a livable, calm environment. It is architecture that breathes with its surroundings, responds to the climate, and at the same time embraces. In the end, it becomes clear that Casas 1922 is not just two shelters for a family, but an expression of balance between form, function, and nature. A construction that integrates technique and sensitivity, sustainability and comfort, creating a contemporary way of living in dialogue with the rural landscape.